Alpine Pat here, Monday, January 30th. Alpine Valley received 10 inches of fresh cow Saturday night and Sunday morning. Conditions have been excellent. But you think that would have been enough? We already had an existing base. You think that would have been enough for a lot of other resorts? Probably. Not for Alpine Valley. Sunday night, Monday morning, we started up the snow guns. These snow guns behind me have been running since Sunday night, throughout the day today, into tonight. Probably for the next day and a half, we're going to be making more snow, adding to the base. When all said and done, we're probably going to have a base of 2.5 feet to 3 feet. And it's not going anywhere, and it's good quality snow. You know, I look at the season kind of as like a bell curve. You know, you start out kind of slow, and then you get up there, you reach that peak, the plateau, and then as the weather warms up, you come down. Right now, we are at the peak of the season, the heart of the season, the tenderloin of the season. I walked through the train park just now. There's so many features out there, I lost count. I can't count that high. Beginner areas walking. We got Tour Lake Girls coming up here next weekend. We got things happening here at Alpine Valley, and conditions are excellent. Call me to it. Hope to see you soon. Fire!